Welcome to Drivewyze PreClear. Drivewyze is the nation's largest weigh station bypass service and provides bypasses at fixed weigh stations and mobile inspection sites across the country, right from your smartphone or tablet. When using Drivewyze, you should mount your device in the cab, where you will be able to clearly see the Drivewyze driving instructions. We also recommend that you connect your device to a power source. This is how Drivewyze works at sites participating in the Drivewyze bypass service. When you are 2 miles away from a participating weigh station or inspection site, you will receive a visual and audible alert. You will receive a second alert when you are 1 mile away. Sites that are participating in the Drivewyze bypass service will be identified by a banner and the words bypass supported on the screen. If you have subscribed to Drivewyze, you will then receive a driving instruction to either bypass or pull in. The bypass screen has a green light, and the pull-in screen has a red light. Your chances of getting a bypass are largely determined by your carrier's safety score. Bypass rates vary from site to site and from state to state, based on screening rules put in place by state law enforcement agencies, working in cooperation with Drivewyze. If a weigh station or mobile inspection site is closed, you will receive a bypass driving instruction. This is how Drivewyze works at sites not participating in the Drivewyze bypass service. At sites not participating in the Drivewyze bypass service, you will still receive 2 mile and 1 mile heads-up notifications. These notifications will have a white banner and will include the words non-Drivewyze. At these non-Drivewyze sites, you will only ever receive a driving instruction to follow road signs. You will not receive bypasses at non-Drivewyze sites. In addition to providing bypasses at weigh stations, Drivewyze also provides bypasses at temporary or mobile inspection sites. At locations where mobile inspection sites are known to occasionally operate, you will receive a heads-up notification, just in case a mobile site might be operational. Note that some of these occasionally operating mobile sites are located at truck stops, rest stops, or at otherwise unmarked roadside locations. Drivewyze is the only bypass service that can give you a bypass at an operational mobile site. This is how Drivewyze works at sites with integrated electronic road signs. At some sites, your Drivewyze driving instruction will not appear on your device screen, but will instead appear on an electronic road sign. In these cases, you will receive 2 mile and 1 mile notifications, followed by an instruction to follow road signs. If you opt in to participate in the Drivewyze Florida Agricultural Bypass Program, you may receive a conditional bypass instruction. This means you can bypass the ag site unless you are hauling agriculture, aquaculture, horticulture, livestock, or a refrigerated unit. If you are ever asked by law enforcement to show your last bypass command, you can do so by tapping the recall icon. The most recent instruction will be shown at the top of the recall screen. Drivewyze is the largest bypass service in the country, with more sites and more states than any other service. But it doesn't provide bypasses at all sites in all states, and some states have specific rules regarding bypass restrictions. So it's important to be familiar with Drivewyze's coverage area, as well as state-specific bypass restrictions. Please visit drivewyze.com for more information. Thank you for using Drivewyze.